How to resize your photo to fit Instagram without cropping. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So in order to resize your photo to fit in Instagram without having to crop it, you will have to use several photo editing applications like Lightroom, Snapseed or PixArt. I am using Lightroom for this demonstration. You can use any of the one you want. So open Lightroom, select the picture, open it. Then go to crop. You should find this option of fit to frame. If you cannot find it here in Lightroom, you will find that in PixArt or Snapseed. You will get an option of fit. Tap on fit and then select fit to frame, then select Instagram, and it will be ready for your photo to be posted in Instagram without cropping anything. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.